Hi. In our last video, we talked about whiteboards. What's good about whiteboard, what's bad about whiteboards, and we got some good comments. A lot of people love their whiteboards, find it hard to let go of them. I think one thing we can all agree on is the greatest thing about a whiteboard is that it's flexible and it's very visual. So it can be a very effective communication tool. Which really brings me to today's topic, which is production meetings. So a lot of companies, some of the best run manufacturing companies will have a daily huddle in the morning or at some other time, maybe mid-morning, to talk about what went well yesterday, what went wrong, and what are we going to do about it. Some companies do mini meetings like this as handoffs between shifts. There's a lot of different ideas and methodologies around these production meetings. What I'm really curious about, especially with my network on LinkedIn, because it's so heavy in manufacturing and lean, what are some of the best practices around production meetings? What data should you be looking at? Who should be invited? How long should they be? What's the structure? How do you make sure that they're productive? Because a lot of times meetings are just a time suck and they're not productive. So give us some ideas. I'd love to hear them. I'd love to hear how you think potentially software could help provide additional data and visual tools to run these meetings better so you have everything at your fingertips. Let me know. Thanks.